Hi guys, so we've made it to the Blue Lagoon. There's a lot of construction work going on behind me. We're going to head into the Blue Lagoon now and show you what it's like. So look at this beautiful water. This is outside near the car park, but look at the colour of it. It's all volcanic. We're about to head into the Blue Lagoon. So we're going to have a quick look at the website. This is the official Blue Lagoon website. You can book through here or get your guide or any sort of tour trip organiser. We went for the day visit to the Blue Lagoon. It worked out at 9,990 Icelandic kronas, which is an equivalent of £55 in the UK. There's lots of other packages you can go for, comfort, premium, signature, but we went for the comfort. You get a free drink in the Blue Lagoon and also a free face mask. So you get a little wristband, you go through the barriers. There's a lovely little cafe that you can get some drinks and food. We ended up getting a toasted cheese sandwich and a drink, and then we head off to the showers and the cubicles. You do need to have a shower before you enter the Blue Lagoon. And look at this water. It's quite chilly outside. Just got my feet in the water and really is just like having a bath at home. It's beautifully warm underneath the water and very, very chilly on the outside. You can see all the smoke in the background there. There's all the construction work. Real misty today, a lot of cloud around. You can see the steam coming off the water. Hello. Can I have this one? Is it the free one?
Yes. There you go. Up to 10 minutes.
Thank you. So we've got our face mask enough and we're about to put it on. Never done this before, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. And I'm looking in the camera screen. There's a mirror. No idea if this is the right way. This is the free silica mask that you get. We're on the comfort package, which includes one free drink and one face mask. You can go up packages. The next one up you get 2 free drinks and I think it's 2 face masks and a robe. Does this look right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How about mine?
Hmm?
How about mine?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Got to leave this on for 10 minutes. So we'll be walking around with this on. I should have had a shave today.
What's that? There's a noise.
We're actually here in March 2025, middle of March, and we were told at the reception that the volcano is due to erupt at any time. So if we hear a siren, we'll take you along with us.
And I'm praying it erupts. And actually after this relaxing treatment, we're doing a 6-hour hike up the volcano.
Yep, so we'll see some smoking lava fields and things.
Yeah. And we really wanted to do that after our treatment, but it was booked, so we had to do it the other way around. So
yeah, right. Well, that's I think is that right? Do I look right? Mhm. We're all just rinse our hands off. Where's your drink? Cheers. I'm going to end up with some face mask in my beer. But really beautiful place to come. Very, very cold out of the water, but in the water, absolutely amazing. So warm. Some areas are hotter than others, where they're pumping the water, the volcanic water up into the lagoon. So relaxing. Off or not. I thought it'd be really dry and cracky, but it's not. Hey guys, so we've been in there a couple of hours. The weather's looking a little bit dodgy. We had some rain earlier, but we took shelter in the sauna and the steam room. We're going to head out now, and we're going to be hopefully going up this hike, the volcano. If you like the video, please subscribe to make sure you don't miss any more future content. Hit the like button and leave any comments down below if you've been to the Blue Lagoon before and what you thought of it. Bye for now.